Greetings everyone, I bring you the third part of the price action series. In this video, we will take for online entries based on various criteria, such as candlestick, partners, or zone. This video will conclude our series on price action. Remember, price action can be interpreted in many ways, and I will try to show different examples in each video, but that will be up to the market to decide. It's not for me to decide, but here with the pairs and with something interesting that can be applied. First, we need to look at the macro trend on EuroCAD. The price is going up. How to observe this? You interpret the upward movement through flags, pulses, and retracement. Here, clearly see the price goes up, slow down, but consistently makes higher lows. The price is trend even higher. To the upside, you see the price is moving through the zone. We could 8, okay? For the price to pull back close to that or the block. While I could say the price M5 is not breaking and is rejecting, it could be the fake out, but the candle is engulfing. I'm looking at the 3 to 4 minutes time frame. I entering the upswing quickly, okay, there, 3 minutes. In M5, guys, the price is trending up. The macro shows bullish signs. So here I see the price practically gives a quick test and then moving higher. Alright? I interpret this is a test on the upside, filling the empty void. If the prices drop suddenly without retracement, it usually returns to at least half of the gap and fills it completely. I already have the first position. Operation for 3 minutes. We clearly see a test to the area, action as support. I wait 2 minutes to see how the first operation performed. Quickly enter the finance markets. Alright? Hey, do you want to join a group where shares signals and strategy that really work? And the best part, it's completely free? Then listen up. In my free group, I share various strategies, insights, and live operations, 100% real and transparent. I will never ask you for money and won't spend anything to join, alright? Want to learn how to earn more with operations? Click the link in the description or the first pinned comment and join the group now. See you there, guys. Few seconds to complete the operation, and it's look like a win. Look at that, the price respect the level, test the bottom quickly and results is a win, right? The price goes up, find balance, and the macro trend remains bullish, guys. Securing the position, we got now $7.52. I've got the first win. Now you trade the next amount with 7.52 with 3 minute time frame. I will look for another entry. When I find it, I will explain the entry. Here's a possible entry. We have a scenario here where the price has been falling and forming range. As part of the market's opening, this could be a false move. We should wait for the test, observe the price here on the square and see if this come back up. If this return here and slow down, it could signal a potential entry to the upside at this point. In M1, it looks like the opportunity already presented itself. Let's see that. Look at the wick, guys. The price tried to go up. Let's analyze this part. The price arrives, pull back and goes up, then falls again and attempt to go up. If this give a good pull back to this point, I will consider an entry to the upside. It all depends on the close. Today's video is interesting due to the volatility, allowing us to see what decision we need to make. Have the patience to wait for the zone is crucial. Alright? So it's necessary to get patience, guys. Remember that, don't forget it. So right now, I will try to enter as low as possible within the bullish zone with this sequence of red candles right here, as this is pure for us right now. Okay, that's very important, right? Don't forget it. I enter for 3 minutes on the upside, click on the buy button right now. So the market's volatility. Let's observe the market's volatility, guys. Which is good if you are experienced. You might ask, why not enter a short position? I see the candle with strong upward momentum. Noticing the higher areas have been accumulated for a while. I see this more bullish. Okay? Now I wait for the 2.5 minutes to see if this position wins or loses. This is the second trade of the session, showcasing the specific case of market volatility. How do we trade it, and what patience is required to achieve the results? A few seconds remaining to the end of the trade. We see high volatility with the price moving up and down around my entry points. Again. And look at that, guys. It's a draw, okay? Let's check the first position and see how this ends. Whether I lose or not in the end. It's nerve-wracking. But look, we have a tie right here. It's a draw. Back to the video, we see something interesting. It's shortening, but it's breaking the level market. I think it could enter the next candle, the price will reject and pull back. So I performed this 3 minutes again. They have enough room, okay? So, okay, enter at the low point. The question is if it drops too fast and then doesn't. It's turning around. You have a strong moment to the downside. Usually during the sessions, openers, it's dropping very fast, but the detail is it holds because it could reverse quickly and end up in green. I have the position active for 3 minutes, betting on trend continuing. Okay, in the end, it's breaking the point zone and make a test rejects. I wait to see if this second position ends. Here, guys, again, and well, look at this. We got a draw again. Unbelievable, isn't it? I was winning the position and end up with the draw. I will go back in it at 2 minutes low. Today it's leaving me puzzled. Let's see, the test week wasn't good. They melted down. This is incredible, is it? I mean, I was winning the position, and in the end, I lost. Lost the position in the end. Well, I didn't lose it. It was a draw. Unbelievable. Volatility in the market. I could trade at 2 minutes, not 3, because it's very fast. Look at that. Okay, let's change this and make this again. Look at the next candle. It's too late for me to enter the downside, but look, here might be a chance. It's slowing down with wick to wick, and I will try the upside for 2 minutes. You can try it at 2 minutes. Entry based on wick rejection and this point. With high volatility, it's interesting to show how the volatile markets trade the risk involved. Alright? That is very important. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining right now. I got a draw in the end. I thought I was losing, but the draw at least saved me. The reaction was strong bearish. The price reacted very fast, entered to the upside round and another point where the price is slowed down. Reacts quickly, then falls back, testing the area. The price passes the exhaustion point, the fall, and should turn around strongly within 2 minutes. A practice to consider when trading. Trades for 2 minutes in a volatile market. I have entered the position. Now I'm waiting for a minute. Okay, 10-12 seconds to see what's win or loses. After a draw for second position, guys, we won that. Here I'm back with attempt to the upside now. If I get a win, the market zone respect by this. Our current point is given the entry. I'm watching for a downside position. Let's see if the price doesn't pass week to week. I'm going to try enter at low for 2 minutes. Click on the sell button. The price has been falling hard in the trend. Rejecting the M1 shows the price is not breaking the zone. Look at weak rejection shows the price rejects the zone. Alright, that's very important. Remember that. Weak rejection shows the price. Okay, that's why I enter short. Although I might have waited longer due to volatility, I might miss the chance. I could drop quickly and be done. I wait the entry criterion based on the zone. We're going to see this in 30 seconds. Okay. We see the price doesn't pass in 1 minute. It shows a strong rejection. That's why I consider it a downside move. Okay? There's lots of rejecting their area. It's attempt to change it but ends up rejecting. Indicate a downside move. I consider the candles end the zone, so we'll wait for a minute to see outcome because of lots of movements. Alright?
Hey, wait a minute. Before I see the results of this trade, how about competing for a 100 account to test the strategy I taught in the video? It's simple. Leave a positive comment and join my Telegram group through the link in the description. Let's make the most of it.
Alright guys, now it's drop and go up. Volatile markets. I'll wait for the seconds to see. And win this, guys. That was amazing. The position is ends and it's looked like it did win. The position won in 2 minutes. With 3 minutes the price might turn. I will conclude this price action video. The morning session was very volatile. That I got busy with the live stream. I did the 4 trades, guys, and $26 in the total. 1-3, tied 1, starting with $4. I increased the amount to $26 as I showed for you. Remember, price actions, volatility conditions move faster. Okay? 3 minutes not due to volatility. This video especially is focused on the volatility and decision making in volatile markets. If you like this video, guys, please like it, comment how to like it, and join the live stream. Wish you good trade sessions. See you in the next video. See you later and wish you a Merry Christmas.